Research shows that teenage is the most vulnerable age when you tend to gain weight, because during that particular time you are at peak of your studies and you tend to focus more on your studies and tend to sit more, and as a result you gain weight. That's what happened with me. If you are an old member of our GT family, you know that I have gained about 18 kgs when I was a teenager. The reason being, I was studying and focusing on my engineering entrance exam, and that particular time I was just sitting and was not involved in any kind of physical activity, and also my body is prone to gain weight very easily. I gained about 18 kg. That actually didn't matter to me at that particular time. But when I entered the college, it hit me really hard because everyone was talking about my weight and the way I look. I felt so disheartened that I don't look a certain way that they want me to look, and I don't fit in. So that particular moment I decided, no, I have to look a certain way. And that comes the mistake number one. Because I was just thinking about the way I look and not really concerned about my healthy body and healthy mind, I wanted to lose weight in order to be a perfect shape, in order to reduce the size of my face, in order to reduce the size of my waist. And that's what we think, and I think all of you out there who is a teenager will relate to this. We are just concerned about the way we look and not concerned about if we are really healthy, and we want to lose weight in order to be fit and healthy. So the first mistake that I did was to not understand the reason why I want to lose weight. I just wanted to do it because I want to shift from size L or say XL to size S. Second very important mistake that I did was starving. I just skipped my dinners. I made sure that I'm not eating enough and I am craving for food so that my body fat deposit starts breaking down, and that was the typical mentality that I had in my mind at that particular time, and what you can expect from a teenager, because that only understand that if you starve you will lose weight. That is the second biggest mistake that I did. Third was exercising rigorously without understanding how your body responds to exercise and what is the importance of rest day. I started working out like for 7 days, and then the result was that I broke down one day. My knee was having a problem. That your body is just like a machine. If you overuse it, it will break down without providing the appropriate fuel to it. It's just like a car. When you try to move it for a longer distance, you need fuel to it. You cannot do it just by moving without a fuel. You cannot reach from Jaipur to Delhi without fuel. It's very common and it's very simple to understand. So when I look upon my teenage self, these were some mistakes that I did that I don't want you to follow, and that's why I'm making this video today. I really want all of you to get the best results, but in order to understand what is the actual result means when it comes to your weight loss journey, I want you to reflect upon what are your goals, how you are going to go about it, and what is your plan of action. So this video is all about my tips to my teenage self when I was lost about myself, about my body, about the confidence that was not there just because the way I look. So for all the teenagers out there, tip number one has to be involving in some physical activity. Now, even if you are studying for about 12 to 14 hours, if you're giving that much hours of sitting, I would highly recommend taking about 1 hour or 1.5 hours for a physical activity. That will not only help you in getting the best results when it comes to your fitness, but also mentally also you will be very much relaxed, fresh, and it will give you best results in your studies when it comes to your examinations or anything. It will not only help you in your physical fitness, but also mentally you will feel really relaxed, fresh, and you can learn more, you can concentrate more. So definitely 1 or 1.5 hours of physical activity. Now it can be anything. You can do 1 hour of yoga session, you can go for some dance classes, dance workout, badminton, swimming, sports, anything that you love, but just make sure that you give about 1 to 1.5 hours for your physical fitness and as a result your mental fitness. So tip number 2 is to say no to Maggi. I know it's very difficult, I understand that, because I have been that teenager as well who loved Maggi, but now since 8 years I haven't touched that refined flour Maggi since ages, and I don't miss it that often because I have replacements. I use atta Maggi, I use oats Maggi. It is not addictive, and that's why I love it. I have it once in a week, and even if it goes about twice in a week, it's completely fine. But having that refined flour Maggi every day at night is not healthy. Important point is say no to your phones before going to bed, because I understand when you are in this phase of loving your phones and spending more time on it, on games, on Instagram, on YouTube and everything, this actually disturbs your body. This is one important habit that you need to learn, that habits make your weight loss journey easier. So if you have developed these certain habits, it will really help you for lifelong. And what habits you develop at this particular age, it will be there for you for life. So yes, say no to your phone before going to bed. That will really change you as a person, and I can assure you that it will give you great results in your studies as well. So yes, tip number 3 has to be say no to your phone before going to bed. Tip number 4 has to be start loving the home-based food. Now, if you are a teenager and if you are preparing for some exam and you are going to leave your home very soon, you will understand the importance of home-based food very soon. You will know that what it means to have mom ka dal and then chapati and then khana. Ghar ka khana will be something that you will love. And I know that you will get that feeling after you get out of your house and start living in hostels. But for now, I would just recommend start loving and focusing on this home-based food more, because at the end of the day, this is what is actually helping you survive. This is what is actually making you. Roti, rice, dal, chapati will never make you fat. It is something that you have been grown up eating. This will make sure that your metabolism and digestion is in place. So yes, don't choose pizza, burger, pasta over your home-based food. You can definitely have them as your cheat meals, but yes, start loving this home-based food, and that will make your diet healthy in itself. Last but not the least, your sleeping pattern plays a very important and a vital role in your fitness and health journey. Not only for your physical fitness or the way you look, but also it's one of the most important habits when it comes to your mental fitness. Your concentration, your memory, everything depends on the recovery of your body, and that recovery happens during the time when you sleep. So sleep plays a very important role. So make sure that you sleep adequately. Do not skip it because of your studies or anything. Make sure 8 to 9 hours of sleep is must for your body in order to recover. So yes, last point is to sleep adequately. So yes, these were some important tips and mistakes that I think I should give to my teenage self, and the mistakes that I did, don't want my followers who are in their teenage right now to repeat and get the best maximum possible benefit out of my video. So yes, I hope you like it. You share it with your friends and family, and if you have a teenager around, just share it with them, because I know that they are struggling. And if you are one, then yes, watch this video. And I love you all. Take care, stay fit, stay happy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along. And yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.